Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. So I haven't posted in a while, but I've been hoarding parts. Today is not really going to be a huge install. It's just probably going to be more maintenance. I got this from Z1. Go ahead and see what's up. Multi 5W30. This is one of their bundles that they have on there, and I haven't tried this oil, but I've heard really good things about it. And since I'm going to be already under there, I might as well just replace the drain plug with a Greddy drain plug. It's got like the magnetic one on there. And one of the cool things about Z1 is that they were having like their little bundle with oil. They can go ahead and give you a OEM Nissan filter for your Z. They have a bunch of different deals on there too. And you know how to get bougie with it, so I was like, I don't really like spills. I'm not trying to struggle. So I went ahead and purchased their Z1 funnel, which is pretty cool because it twists on there and also has like this little gasket. It's pretty cool. I mean, it was pretty cheap anyway, so might as well go for it. But anyways, plans with the car right now is just this. I haven't even done the first oil change since I got it. So that's number one. And I have been hoarding some parts. I got some BC coilovers right now right here next to me. But that's going to be on the next video. That's not going to be on this install. I also have some Bride seats, which I'll go ahead and show you just a minute. But for the BC coilover install, I went with their BR series because I'm not really going to track the car anyways. So I might as well just have something that's going to be comfortable, getting me from point A to point B, you know, like, but also makes the car really look good and have a significant performance upgrade. That is going to be a video itself, probably in a couple weeks. For Vegas, we do have to start pretty early. We have to beat that 7 a.m. heat. So it's probably going to be like 90 something degrees already by like 7 a.m., 8 a.m. maybe. So that video is probably going to be started at like 4 in the morning or something. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. Let's go ahead and do this oil change real quick. Excuse the mess, but these are the seats that are going to go into the Z. These are the Zeta 4s. And I have another video pretty much on the install on the IS300, but I decided to take them off and put them on here. And I think this is gonna look freaking amazing when it's done. I'm still debating on what kind of wheels that I want to get, but I might roll with these just for a little bit. But I have been looking into the MST Suzukas, I believe. They're like RPF 1s, but with a deeper dish. They're pretty affordable, but I'm not sure how I feel about going with these on this car. If you have any suggestions or anything on wheels, go ahead and comment, let me know. But yeah, we'll see where it goes from there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the oil change. And everybody knows how to do an oil change, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get right to it. But before I install the Greddy little plug, I'll go ahead and just show you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so I got the car jacked up, and looking under it, everything still seems to be there. It's pretty good, honestly. I'm still surprised at how well taken care of, I guess you could say. In some areas this car was. Like this lip is a little just broken, but honestly I really couldn't care less for it. Other than that, like the shield here, it's all there. I'm surprised because on a 2012 I feel like somebody would have just taken it off, or it would have just hit something and it would have been scraping. Yeah, let's go ahead and take this off and see how it looks underneath, because that's going to be the scary part. Hopefully there's no oil leaking anywhere or something. Alright, so I just took off the shield, and I definitely underestimated how many screws are on there, but surprisingly though,
everything seems to be very clean. There's no oil coming out from here or anything. Nothing's like wet. Pretty dry, everything's in very good condition. So yeah, this is gonna make things very, very easy for me. I'm just gonna go ahead and change the oil and pretty much put everything back together. I don't have to worry about anything else. Alright, so I got the oil out. This is the old plug. You can tell it was holding on pretty good, but you can see some wear and tear on there already. So yeah, let's go ahead and show you the new one. It's going to be this little piece from Gritty. So right off the bat, this is just so much lighter. It's gonna be these little things, you know, that I already know are on the car, even though they're not major upgrades. I already know it's just the little things I feel like make the car better, and like the smaller details. Assuming this is the magnetic portion right there, the little piece. Yep. Pretty freaking strong too, and compared to this one, it's like probably a third of the weight. It's crazy. So yeah, let's go ahead and put it on. I also decided to just get the Nissan OEM 370Z filter, not by choice, but it's because Z1 Motorsports came with a bundle with that Motul and the Nissan combo. It was pretty cheap too. So I mean, I already know Motul oil is pretty freaking good, and you can't go wrong with OEM. So it was a pretty good deal. So might as well get it. All right, drained all the oil. Now it's time to just go ahead and add the new one. And I bought this from Z1 Motorsports. Pretty cool funnel. It just screws on there, and it has a gasket. That way it doesn't spill or anything. I mean, honestly, I was gonna buy a funnel. It was pretty cheap, but I was like, you know, I'm already on the website, might as well just get it. Plus, they're having a giveaway, so might as well. All right, oil change is done. Just gonna start the car, let it run a little bit, but before I do, I took the liberty of cleaning the headlights. Before, they were all pretty like yellowish, like foggy, and just really ugly. Now, like after I polished them, they look really, really good. Basically brand new almost. I used the Meguiar's their two-step cleaning kit. Just looks brand freaking new. But yeah, let's go ahead and start the car. Let it warm up. But this concludes this video. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Like the video, comment. I really like the engagement on the last post. That was really good. Yeah, next thing on the car is definitely going to be the coilovers. It's going to be in a couple weeks. And then also the Bride Zeta 4s are going to go on the car. Super excited on where the car is going so far. For the wheels, again, I have no idea what I want to do with them. I'm thinking the MST Suzukas for now, because they're pretty inexpensive and they look pretty good. Other than that, I have no idea what other wheels to get. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.